we're going to go ahead and look at vertical method for subtraction. Now, I've drawn the lines here to signify place value, hundreds, tens, and ones. Some students may choose to do that to help stay organized, and others may not. Either way works for us. We're going to go ahead and start with the ones column. 5 take away 2 is 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. And 4 take away 1 is 3. So our answer would be 313. Now let's look at one that's a little more challenging. We're going to start again with 445. Take away 127. Again, I'm just going to draw my lines to help stay organized. Now here I'm looking at 5 take away 7. We can't do that. One of the things we might hear your kids say is, more on the floor, go next door. So 5 minus 7 doesn't work. So we're going to have to look at our tens column and take one away from there. So we're going to break this 4 into a 3. And we're going to take that group of 10 from the 4 and add it to our ones column. Some students may cross it off and write their 15. Others may just write their group of 10 in front of the 5. Either way works. Now we're ready to subtract. 15 take away 7 is 8. 3 take away 2 is 1. And 4 take away 1 is 3. So our answer is 318. Now let's look if we have to regroup in 2 spots. We're going to start again with 445 minus 168. I'm going to draw my lines just to help stay organized. So 5 take away 8. Again, we cannot do that. We don't have enough ones. More on the floor, go next door. So we're going to take or borrow a group of 10 from that 4, which makes this a 3, and that group of 10 is going to come here, making this a 15. Again, some students may just cross off the 5 and write 15 at the top. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now we're going to look at our tens column. We have 3 minus 6. Again, we cannot do this. We only have 3 groups of 10 and we have to subtract 6. So we're going to have to go next door. We're going to borrow or take a group of 100. So this 4 is going to become a 3, and now this 3 is a 13. Now we can subtract. 13 take away 6 is 7, and 3 take away 1 is 2. Our answer would be 277. Now let's look at the most challenging for students, which is when we have just 400 at the top. Whenever students are subtracting from a double zero or 100, it's a little bit harder because they're not able to go just right next door. They have to rethink it. I'm going to draw my columns just to stay organized and get started. So here we have 0 take away 9. Again, we can't do that, so we're going to have to go next door. But if I go next door, there's nothing there either. So we have to go all the way over to the hundreds. I'm going to make this 4 3. I'm taking 100 away. And we're going to add that group of 10 to the middle. So that's making it 10. Now we have 10 groups of 10. So I'm looking at my 0 again, and I still can't do 0 take away 9. So I go back to my 10s. Now I have 10 here I can borrow from. So I'm going to cross off my 10 groups of 10 and make that now a 9 and add that group of 10 over here to the ones. So I'm left with 10 take away 9, which equals 1. I have 9 take away 6, which equals 3. And I have 3 take away 1, which equals 2. So my answer is 231. Those are some examples of using the vertical method when doing subtraction.